cars here are actually quite good. Pretty cheap as well, but just great. Sharples again. I'll have to try that tomorrow actually. Supposed to be very good. Oh, the joys of crossing the street in Thailand. Like your fucking life in your hands every single time. A lot of massage places here. This hotel here is actually really nice. Not too expensive, but very, very good. That's Nick Dean, his bar, one of his bars. But they've recently just added in this cocktail bar. It's pretty cool. I'll have to go in now at the weekend, I think, and try some fucking cocktails in there for the crack. Should be good fun. Oh, the infamous size 7. This should be fucking fun. Jesus Christ, they're already sitting in the bar. Fucking hell, I thought I was bad. This guy actually does he does kebabs. They're like 70 baht, but they're very, very, very nice. I need to fucking fix this heap of shit. Oh, barely, I see. Oh, I'm on video. Yeah. Fuck's sake. Yeah, no footpaths in Thailand. It's the fucking problem. I would not fancy coming here if you're in a wheelchair, put it that way. Unless you're like fucking Professor X and you have one that can fly. Otherwise, you're pretty much fucked. It's the Blackwoods Hotel. I've never been, but here, very, very good. It's the reason I do this video early, because I don't want to film any of the girls in the bars because they get super fucking pissed off. So I try not to make them too angry, if possible. If possible. Oh, fucking motorways. This is supposed to be pretty good. Decent menu. Yeah, sorry I have to keep moving the camera around, but I just not want to video any girls, you know. This another one of Nick Dean's bars, Lupa, so he's open that maybe 1 month, 2 months. But this one here, next door, they haven't, I don't know when they're going to open, maybe another month or two. But I believe it's going to be called Zombie. The old pig and missile, or big and missile as it is now, but it's sitting idle. Pretty fucking crazy, to be honest. So a lot of these bars are actually quite good. It will be very interesting to see if they will stay open now until 4, if this new rule actually passes. But you know yourself, Thailand, maybe the law will pass. We will see. Difficult to know. Apologies with the camera going all over the place, but I'm still kind of getting used to learning how to use the gimbal. So just give me a couple of months and definitely get better. But as I say, I not really want to video people in bars. You know, just, God knows, maybe they've told their significant other one story, and maybe they're doing something quite contrary. Who knows? This fucking gimbal cunt. Luxor bar. Yeah, that's back open a while now. But let's see. Lucky Star. Been in there a couple of times actually. It's not bad. Again, one of these places it will open quite early. Actually, it will open very early. I think like fucking 6 a.m. or some crazy shit. This one, Foreplay. That is the old Boomerang bar, if you remember from back in the day. It's a bit of a crazy place. But yeah, there was a girl just saying, don't video me. Which is fair enough. That's why I said I don't want to video anyone and make them angry, so I say I don't want to piss people off. So you really don't want to see an angry Thai girl. They yeah, they all know Muay Thai. You don't want to fucking piss them off. It's good to see because size 7 seems back. It's still quiet compared to pre-COVID, of course, but definitely a lot better than before. But, nearly now on to Beach Road. Like I said, I don't want to video anyone. I'll piss them off. That's why I try not to point the camera at anybody if I can avoid. Just make them angry, you know. Like I said, that's size 7. Let's see, this is an actual Beach Road here. And I can tell you now, it's now what time? It's about maybe 10:30, 11 o'clock in the morning. And fucking hell, it's hot already. I might as well walk up. It's corner bar. Good bar actually. Very good bar. Good morning, how are you? Looking back on it, I really should have plugged in a microphone for this, but we'll see how bad the volume is. Like I say, I know. I don't want to video anybody, but so you can make people angry, you know. If they don't want to appear on camera, well then. Actually, this one, Tops Daily, you probably have already seen, but that was Family Mart, and they got bought out by Tops Daily, so they've all been rebranded, or are in the process of being rebranded. We'll see. And I have to say, I'm glad I'm not using selfie mode here because Jesus Christ, I'm sweating already. Isn't it the bars they redid? Again, I don't want to point at customers or, you know, girls, but they only redid them, or like renovated them, maybe 2-3 months ago. But, oh great, I'm getting a warning about my phone overheating. That's not worrying at all. Okay, so let's hope it keeps recording. We'll see. Well, I don't mind if it stops so long as it doesn't explode. That is the Sailor Bar. Very popular for breakfasts, I know that. And they've actually expanded it quite a lot. Let me see. But they do quite a lot. It's their bar. I must call into some of these, even just go in for a beer, just to try and help them out. Because I'm sure, like you see, this is soy 8 obviously, but as we walk down you can see it doesn't look in nearly as good shape as soy 7, put it that way. You'll see further down there was a bunch of bars, they knocked them down because I believe they said they were going to build a new hotel, but I don't know if it ever went through. But either way, they knocked the fucking bars down. Ale Beer Bar, I don't know that one. I'm good, thank you. I said I don't want to video the girls that are doing the massage because, yeah, I don't want to piss them off. Here you can see, like I said, there's a lot of other places for rent. Fucking flies. Place here that was a 7-Eleven before, and fucking cunting, there's a lot of them sitting idle, and I'm quite surprised because certainly on size 7, actually this place, I have to say, I don't know if many people know about it. It's just on the corner. It's like a German place, I think. Wundercat bar and restaurant, but it's very good for food. They do like kind of German food, but it's very, very good. It's just on the corner of the soy that meets with it basically the one that intersects between soy 7 and soy 8. But here you'll see this place here. You can see these were a number of bars, and they basically all got gutted because apparently they were going to build like a new hotel, and then seemingly nothing fucking happened. Actually knew a girl who had a bar there, but she had to move. And this is the place that still mystifies me, being Irish. So Irish massage, which I Maybe it involves potatoes, I'm not really sure. But we'll see, as I say, not want to video anybody if I can avoid. This is really my first attempt to do like a kind of a walking video. It could be total shit, to be fair. But yeah, we'll see. I'll upload it, edit it a little bit, and upload, and I'm sure there'll be critics, and I'm sure most people will think it's fucking shite. But that's okay. Yeah, start somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna let you leave it here because I don't want to a number of people. Shooting, but yeah, there's a number of people up there, so I don't really want to video them, you know. Okay, we'll leave it there. Bye.